Volunteers on free! It's time to conquer Earth!
Alpha, Venus Escape. Recruit a team of teenagers with attitudes.
What's wrong, Angela? You can't keep up? Come on, hop to it, hop to it.
Come on, Queenie.
You can do it. All right. All right, settle down. The red team wins. Good. But there's a tie between the red and the blue team in terms of points. Now, final event, the tug of war. Winning team will receive the coveted Noble Lion Trophy. All right, everybody, man your positions.
We are gonna whip you good, Jason.
Give it your best shot, Bulk. Hey, Angela, you want to defect over to the winning side? The Zack Man saved a special place just for you.
Dream on.
Yeah, right, Zack Man. Angela knows which side the real men are on. Yeah, the real men.
So, a lion trophy? I'll show him a lion trophy.
Of course, my queen. Go on the Stormbringer. The Earth and those Power Rangers will be destroyed for good.
On the count of three, I'll blow the whistle. All right, let's do it, Jace.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That trophy's mine, Buzzard Bread. Prepare to eat mud.
Here to eat your words, Bulk.
Put an end to this! No! Time to teach us to the law of physics.
All right, teamwork and unite all together. Now.
Stupendous! We won the Noble Lion Trophy. Jamorama! Excuse me, miss. May I be of some assistance?
You're just loving this, aren't you?
Did you see Bulk's face when he hit the mud?
How about poor Mr. Kaplan?
Well, once again, teamwork has proven most effective against our adversaries.
Hey, Ernie's gonna get a big kick out of the Noble Lion Trophy.
Hey, you guys, speaking of the trophy. Hey, the trophy's gone.
Oh, man, I bet Bulky's skull has something to do with this.
Come on, we cannot let them get away with it.
Well, this is a decidedly large expanse to cover.
Let's split up.
Okay, I'll go with you, Jace. Come on.
Those goody
goodies think they're so smart.
But not smart enough to keep the prize.
Our trophy's getting away!
Those two bumblers won't get far, my queen. I'll send down a horde of putties to keep those power vests away.
If you were Bulk and Skull, where would you go?
Ugh, don't even mention such a horror.
Man, that was weird. I wonder what Reed is up to now. We should go find Kimberly and Jason. Come on.
Hey, watch it, dog boy. What is your badness up to?
Silence, you fool! You'll break your concentration!
She's casting a spell
Yes!
to turn your lion trophy into the dread monster Goten. Scabs, weasels, moons of Cryon, make me a monster. Half goat, half lion.
I'm warning you.
Insolent fools, take that!
Too bad about the trophy.
Hey, we don't need a trophy to know that we're winners.
Yeah.
Hey, don't look now, but your dream diva is headed our way.
Ask her out again, Zach?
She's a baby source, but I gave up on Angela a long time ago.
Gave up, huh?
Hey, Zach. How about you and me catching a matinee or something?
Don't call me. I'll call you.
Way to go, Zach, man.
Ay, ay, ay.
What is it, Alpha?
Everything's suddenly gone haywire.
This disturbance is familiar. I believe Rita has summoned forth her lion goat to attack Angel Grove. Summon the Power Rangers, for Gotan the lion goat brings with it terrible storms.
Ay, 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 ay.
If Gotan is allowed to control the weather, the entire Earth will be imperiled.
Ooh, this weather's particularly precarious.
The storm is just raging outside. It came out from nowhere.
We're in a tornado watch. I just heard it on the news. Everyone, let's head for the basement.
Guys, I don't like the looks of this.
Something tells me this isn't Mother Nature at work.
Sounds like Rita if you ask me.
We read you, Zordon. What's up?
Rita has unleashed another of her monsters. You must teleport to the command center at once.
Zach's not with us.
Alpha will contact him from here. Hurry, Rangers.
All right, guys. Ready for teleportation.
Rangers, we have a dire situation on our hands. Rita has used your noble lion trophy to summon evil Gotan, the lion goat.
So that's what happened to the trophy.
Yes, observe the viewing globe.
Wow. Man, that dude is bad news.
Goten has the power to create blizzards, tornadoes, and even hurricanes to destroy the world. This creature must be stopped quickly.
Alpha, have you managed to contact Zach yet?
No luck yet. I can't understand why he's not responding. I'll try again.
Maybe I will.
It's chilly in here. Feels like winter.
It'll be dangerous.
It's not that cold.
What are you waiting for? Are we going or not?
All right. But put your coat on. It's cold.
Alpha will continue trying to raise Zack. You four must go ahead and battle Gotan. Good luck, Rangers.
All right. It's morphin' time!
Pterodactyl!
Triceratops!
Saber-tooth tiger!
Tyrannosaurus!
Lunch!
All right, enough is enough!
You have no power to match mine, Cutie Ranger. Go ahead and try it!
Kimberly! I'll teach this furball some manners. Right now! Let's get it!
You see, Power Rangers, you cannot win. Now to finish you.
Had enough, you pathetic weaklings!
Nothing can save you now, Power Rangers.
The Rangers are gone forever!
Two heads are better than one!
At last, the end of the Power Rangers is at hand!
But I want to see.
No, I can't let you. If you try, I'll... I asked you, but you wouldn't listen.
What's that?
Nothing. It was my popcorn alarm. Save my seat. I'll be right back.
Hello, City Desk. I'd like to report a crime. Well, what if I told you it involved a certain young starlet?
I'll read you. What's up?
Zack, the Rangers need your help. They've been trapped inside a tornado by Gotan, Rita's evil Chimera monster.
I'm on the job. Man, this Chimera monster's gonna pay. It's morphin' time. Mastodon! Oh, man! Hey, Furball!
So, Black Ranger, you're here!
Man, you are one messed up looking cat. It's Zack! Just in time! Oh, you're gonna pay big time for messing with my friends, and especially for messing up my date!
You're all talk, Ranger!
And you're all through! That ought to change your minds, Gotan. Both of them.
What's the matter with you, huh?